Hi, this is your favorite astrologer Pandit Parashar. From now on onwards, I'll be reading you your weekly horoscope columns for the week starting December 2nd to December 8th. For Aries, planets will help you overcome many difficulties, and changes in career are just around the corner. Financially, you will continue to meet your commitments, though worries will not leave you alone either. Isolating from world will not help. Rather, you should call friends and get some get together arranged. You will work hard to resolve an issue involving a child. For Taurus, things will once again start moving in the right direction. You may be slowly working towards starting a new venture in partnership. You will start preparation for an upcoming trip also. A spouse will be under a lot of pressure for some reasons. People who promise big will not keep up their words, and as a result, you will discard them from your list. Gemini, you will need to put in extra hours, but sales will be kind of flat. People you helped in the past will start to maintain distance and will not be there in case of need. People in job will have some changes very soon. Do not take any chance with weather. Do not be double minded and do not put off things for another day. Cancer, if you try a little harder and sincerely, you will achieve a lot. Planets are still favorable for money through speculation and lottery. You will gain friendship of a very useful person. Throw all the fears out of your mind and enjoy what you have. You may be thinking of having some special prayers done at your place and start inviting friends. Leo, you have the right tools, but if you hesitate, you will lose a huge opportunity. You will be going on an important trip soon. Meetings will go well and you will receive the clearance. People will try to cause distraction but will fail. You will become more popular in social circle and will be invited to a couple of parties. Virgo, focus on today rather than worrying about future. Expense will come down a lot. You will feel tired of slow or no progress in the past and will take some drastic steps. Gamble will pay off. You will come across very few compatible people and will decide to use their expertise. You will be excited about an upcoming big reunion. For Libra, it will be an expensive week, though the money will be well spent. It will be beneficial week for brokers. You will continue to have few fears about job for some more time. You may be double-minded about an opportunity that requires change of residence. You will buy some high-end gadget for personal use. Useful lead coming from reliable source. Scorpio, you will be going on a short but interesting trip. Concentration of planet in first will boost your morals and provide extra ordinary success in career. You will finish an important project well before deadline. Boss will be happy and make necessary approval for next level. You may redevelop taste for very spicy food and dessert. Sagittarius, extra money will bring some relief. Claim will be approved and you will be issued the check. Do things within legal parameters and handle all government matters carefully. Changes at work will leave you unhurt, but still shake you up. You will be traveling to a nice area with family to attend a social event. Capricorn, changes you are working on will finally materialize. It may not be rewarding right away, but in long term. Believe in your expertise and march forward with your plans. Family may be leaving for overseas trip soon. You will get all the help from superiors and those in higher places. You may be thinking of taking off from work for a few days. For Aquarius, some of you will be getting ready for an upcoming trip and spend most of the evening in mall. You will have better controls over the things at work. Business will also improve, but not for to satisfactory level. You will be meeting an influential person. Transiting Venus in 12th can cause intimate relationship with a beautiful person. Pisces, stress at work will reduce but will not go away completely. After paying off all the bills, you will have enough left in your pocket. People creating trouble in the past will start paying attention elsewhere. All meetings and trips will bring instant results and rewards. You will call or get in touch with a trusted person for some valuable advice. Jai Ambe.